In this video, I'll be disassembling this 2020 Lexus GX triple beam LED headlight. I will begin by cutting off the remainder of the lens. I've cut the lens from the light. It's worth noting that in this upper outside corner, the front bezel is actually glued into the body. The main bezel is connected to the front lens using a series of Phillips head screws. I will begin by removing the Phillips head screws holding on the lower LED unit. Next, I'll turn both of these headlight adjusting bolts all the way to the left. Here is the top mount for the projector unit. I'm going to use a pair of pliers to try to pop off the top mount from behind the projector. I use a pair of needle nose pliers to slide in and release both of these clips outwards. With the three mounts and the wire harness disconnected, the projector unit will now pull out of the light. Next, I'll start removing the screws holding in this back unit. The headlight housing is now empty. There's one Phillips head screw holding in this LED driver module. There's one screw holding on the corner LED drive unit. The cooling fan is simply clipped into place. There are four screws holding on this front bezel. There's four Phillips head screws and a clip holding on the front bezel to the LED projectors. Each of the projectors held to the bracket with two Phillips head screws. This bracket and this bracket are both blocking for the outer and middle projector. The headlight is now fully disassembled. Here are the three main projectors. Here's the corner LED. Here's the LED driver. Here's the diffuser for the daytime running light. Here's the LED board for the daytime running light. Here's the AFS motor. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.